In this lecture, I will discuss about the pier labels. Here we are seeing a concrete wall that is on the left side of the building, and let's check that I have clicked the wall, and here is a pier, and pier label is nothing. There is no label has assigned because when I have drawn the wall, the ETABS take the walls as a concrete walls as a shells. It means it takes only out of plane moments, do not take in plane moments. So to make concrete walls to act like as a columns, to take moments in plane moments, all the moments to carry from slabs to the to take themselves and then move towards the ground. So for that we have to assign the walls, concrete walls, pier labels. So how we assign the pier labels? So in this model right now there is only one concrete wall. Now I will also make a core concrete wall as a shear wall for the building. So here is a option for draw. I will click in the plan, draw walls. Here is a predefined concrete walls or shear walls or core walls given by the ETABS. So here is different. So now I will just select this option, this U shape type shear wall. So all the settings you can change. What is the LX? Here is LX 10.82. so it's the inner walls distance you can change. Right now for example I will change it to 12 feet, and the LY to for example 10 feet. Wall thickness right now it's 11.8. I will taking as a 12-inch, and opening, all the things you can adjust according to your requirement. So here I will click OK, and right now I will just go there and draw the shear wall. So here I have selected the shear wall, and shear wall automatically drawn in all the walls from top to bottom because it acts as a lift. So here is the setting. If you want to make the story from only from 3 to 4, then you can select up to your requirement. Because I have just selected as a lift well or lift wall for the building, so that's why its setting is from. Here I am deselecting. Here after deselecting, so now I will go in the, for example let's see, in the 3D. Here is the rotate. Here you can see the lift well is drawn. So I will just go in the plan, base, apply. Here I will select all the spots, okay, and make sure that is the one story, and assign joint restraints fixed spot, apply, okay, 3D again. Now I am coming back. So now I will make the opening in the slab. So here is the, for example I will draw a slab, but I will do not draw a slab. I will select the property as a opening. I want to draw the opening. So when I go for opening, I am seeing the snaps, so it is making me for me easy so that I can and click. If you do not find the points or you are unable to click these intersection points, so here right click, again escape, right click, snap option. So here line ends and midpoints, lines and frames, edges. So here you can select the snap settings or even the grid points. So it's up to you. If you are not able to click the points, for example here I have selected opening, so I will select all stories, make the opening in all the stories from top roof to the base of the building. Here escape. So here I have make the hole in hole of the concrete wall. So now I will just go in the select object type, walls, select. All the walls in the model are selected. Now I will go in the view, show selected objects only the selected objects will be visible. Plan, apply. Okay, so now I will define the pier label. Define pier labels. Here is already P1 and P2 are defined, so I will just delete the P2 and make P2 core wall. So add new pier label here, P1 and P2. Okay, so now I will select this wall and assign shell pier label P1, apply. Here is a P2. By default, ETABS automatically also assign the pier labels to the wall, but sometimes it do not do. You have to make sure that ETABS didn't define the pier labels correctly. So now I select all the slabs again, all the walls again, and apply. Here P1 and P2 core wall. So now ETABS will also calculate the reinforcement in the walls. All the things will take care by understanding that the user have defined the pier labels. So that's how we define the pier labels in the ETABS.